These will be the steps for outside, 2 landings down to the exterior steps, so they don't go into the lean-to area. The roof is on the lean-to, and he's working on the stairs. The lean-to roof is on. These sections are 3 feet wide by 8 feet long, and he's caulked all in there, which is nice. What are they called? Fire breaks? Fire breaks. So the floorboards are going on the first landing, and I suspect you'll do that and work on the stairs today. Putting a walk fan up there that you can get to the peak to do the pallet wood. Putting the molding up and then the pallet wood shingle look. So Virginia and I ran all these wires, basically a pass-through up here to a 15 amp 14-2 wire that goes outside right there, and we have 15 amp. And we got wires here. I need a 14-3 to run 2 switches for the fan and light, and then one here, and then one will go out on that side and one here on this side. And nothing on that wall, and only one on that back wall for TV. And then over in this room, kind of the same setup. The fan up there, that's not run yet, but it'll all come out of here. And then over there. And I did one home run from the box in this room over to where Virginia is right now, where the circuit breaker box will go. Also did this bathroom. This is the lights for the bathroom. A fan, ceiling light. And then I ran power. How did I do? I didn't do the power yet. Anyway, there's a GFI, and it runs these outlets. And there's a lamp up there, and this outlet, and another outlet down there for a toilet seat warmer. Finishing up the stringers for the downstairs. Virginia's taking some trash down to the burn pile, I think. This is pretty cool. We think we're going to put a swing under here. We may move those stairs. These stairs that I put up here about a month ago, we may move those they're not in the ground, so they won't be that difficult to move. This cutoff is going to be one of the steps. Well, cut, so it's one of the steps. Going up here and up there. It's a smoke detector run. There's one over there, and there's one over there, right there. It's a dedicated line for all the smoke detectors, and I'm about to put one upstairs. She's gonna drill a hole in the floor, and, well, not the floor, but the walls. Creation of a step. Looks nice. Well, the power box inside is in.